morning, sweetie. Good morning. Happy birthday. Uh-oh. Yay! Happy birthday, my princess. Happy birthday! Hi, today is Amishka's birthday, and since it is lockdown period, well, in India we already have unlock 1, but still we are not going to places. Hotels are off, restaurants are off, we can only take away. And yes, we are here in Pune. Our whole family lives in northern part of India, and so it's her first birthday, and we are all alone with Amishka. Like she'll be celebrating with her parents, and it's around 12:30 now. Yeah, so just got a call from my bhabhi, and she was wishing Amishka her birthday. So I'm very glad that people have started calling her and wishing her since morning. So right now I told you that yeah, it's 12:40 now. So I'm completely at my night dress. I haven't bathed yet, but a good thing is I have started blowing some balloons for Amishka. Hey Amishka! Yeah, I made her ready. She's in her first birthday dress, and that she's very excited to wear. She's loving it. And Amishka, what's there in your hand? Lotion? You want to play with everything apart from her toys. I don't know why. So I've blown some of her special birthday balloons, and rest of them will be blown by Ankit. So he has gone to get some essentials for the home for today that we would hopefully require in the evening. Yeah, hi Amishka, hi. Oh, I don't want to eat it. Up, hello. I just fed Amishka her special breakfast today, or you can say the mid-noon meal, and it's the special for her birthday. It is happa, mangoes and banana pulp. It's 100% organic, no preservatives are added to it, and I ordered it yesterday from Big Basket, and it's very delicious. Amishka likes it a lot, and yes, it's a good meal to start her day on this special eve. So I got a call from Ankit sometime back, and he wants to give some special gift to Amishka. However, she has everything. We generally buy things whatever she likes to play with, or whatever things are necessary for her, but still he wants to give something special to her, and I already bought one dress for her. So let's see how it goes. So he will take another 1 hour or so, and still I'm in my night dress, haven't bathed yet. It's already 1, and after her meal you can see Amishka is playing a lot on the bed. She's now a little lazy. She's doing her tricks to call mama. She's playing with her hanky, and she drank a bit of milk from her bottle. Now she's again active. Hey! So I made another batch of milk for Amishka. I thought she might be a bit hungry. She takes around 120 ml of formula milk after every 2 hours, and that depends on how much solids she has taken. And I guess I was right. She was feeling somewhat hungry, and now she's drinking it and she's enjoying her milk. And look how she is playing with her new shoes. She don't like putting anything on her feet, even if they are socks. She just want to put them off. And I think she wants to sleep now, so it's the time for her second nap of the day. So meanwhile Amishka drinks her milk. No, I thought she will be drinking for around another 5-10 minutes. Amishka, what happened? क्या हुआ? खेलना है आपको? You're not feeling calm because it's your birthday? I guess today all Amishka wants is to be at my side. Hi! And yes, in those boxes, we have shifted a week ago, and it's a new house. It's a rented flat in Pune, and we are living in the same society where we were used to live, but it's a different flat, and we have a very good view from our balcony. Earlier we were living at the 9th floor over there. You can see the second topmost flat, and now we are here at the 6th floor. Amishka, Amishka, you enjoying? You enjoying? She loves to play outside in the balcony. Hey. The weather here, over here is very nice in Pune, and it will be nicer in the coming days, and we really like these weathers. Even Amishka likes such a weather. Maybe she came to this world in this weather, so definitely she would like it. So it seems Amishka didn't feel satisfied with her special mango banana pulp, and she still wants to eat her boiled apple, which is a regular meal. So I have made her sit on a feeding table, and meanwhile I will prepare some of the apple pulp for her. So here it's her apple. I generally cut this into 4 parts. Then I take out its seeds and add some water in the pressure cooker and give it a single or 2 steams, and it's well boiled till then. And what I generally do is after giving it a steam, I refrigerate it, because Amishka is teething and she likes some cold apple pulp. So here it is. This is some of the refrigerated apple pulp, and I will take out its skin, and it is ready to eat. Just Amishka had to grab her hands on it, and she will eat all by herself. Since it's her new dress, so I don't want it to be spoiled for whole day, and I will be feeding her by my own hands. And it is so simple to make, and it's very delicious. She likes it. Amishka is enjoying her apple, her regular apple. You like it? Yes, Mama, I like it. It suits me. So Amishka took around 2 quarter pieces of apple, and now hopefully she will sleep. I have put off her shoes, her headband. She seems relaxed now, but let's see. If she doesn't sleep by herself by this time, then definitely I have to put in some effort and make her sleep, because it's very necessary that she sleeps now and get at least 2 hours of nap. So yeah, see you after that. It's 1:45 now, and I'm successful in making Amishka sleep, though she slept by herself. some time relief for me. And I will probably go to bath now. And Ankit also called me. He's video calling. He's still searching for special gift for Amishka. And I have also got call from my Taiji, Amishka's grandmother. I already got a call from my mother and my dad, and she already talked to her in the morning itself. She already talked to her paternal grandparents and her bua and all. And so I just had a call with my brother. He lives in London, so it's probably 8 or 9 a.m. in the morning there. And he also called in the midnight yesterday, and yes, we were deep asleep then, and Mishka was also in a very deep sleep, so he couldn't talk to her. And sadly, now also Amishka is asleep, and he still is unable to have a video call with her, and he's very eager to call Amishka. And now he was a bit disappointed now because I completely said a big no to wake her up, because I really want her to be asleep for at least an hour or so. So yeah, he was let's hope for the best. I will definitely make a video call to him after Amishka wakes up first thing now. And meanwhile, Amishka's dad also called me. He's still searching, and he's not able to find a better shop, because most of the good shops like First Cry and Me and Moms are located in the malls, and malls are currently closed in Pune. So he's struggling a lot in finding a better gift for her. But yeah, Mishka doesn't need anything as such. She already have a stroller with her. She has a walker. She has a multi-activity walker. She has lots and lots of stuffed toys in her bag, and this storage box. Sorry for this handle got ripped off while we were shifting to this home, and she has a bag full of her rattles and toys. So there is nothing as such she needs now, but still let's see what Ankit brings for her. It's 2:45 on the clock now. It's already 1 hour since Amishka is asleep, and now she can wake up anytime. Yeah, you can say I'm a lazy bather, but I still haven't bathed. Just after getting calls from Ankit, I started talking to my brother, and we had a quite bit long talk on what's the plans for today, and how I'm planning things, and what we are doing, and how we are planning our day for today. So now if I have already taken out my clothes, not the party clothes which I'll be going to wear in the evening, but normal lower and t-shirt. So I have taken out my clothes, my towel, but I doubt if Amishka wakes up, then she's a quick crawler now. She can crawl anytime on her bed and go to the side, and she can fell anytime. So I'm not taking that risk, because definitely the noise of the shower will come, and she's a very sensitive girl, and her sleep is very very sensitive. With a slight noise of anything, she just wakes up. So I'm not taking that risk, and I'm waiting for Ankit to just be back as soon as possible, and then I'll go and bathe myself. And so I have decided I'm not going to sit idle till Amishka wakes up, and so I've decided to cook this. This is a baby flour pasta, and it's a beetroot, multi-millet, ragi and jowar. So it's a very healthy one. This is the another one apart from happa I ordered from Big Basket yesterday. And so this is the another thing I planned for her, a special food. Maybe she likes it. for her birthday. Her normal routine is she generally have lentil rice, which we call dal khichdi, or mixed vegetable cerelac in the lunch. So when she wakes up, she will be definitely hungry and she would like to have some solids at this time. And today I will be trying this. Maybe she'll feel it as a treat for today because it's her birthday. She might feel special with it. So I'm planning to cook it now and just make it ready before she wakes up. So it says in a small saucepan that I already have taken, boil 1.5 cups of water, add a teaspoon of olive oil, a pinch of salt to boiling water, and followed by 2 spoons of baby flour pasta, and stir occasionally. So it is a general pasta cooking that we used to do for refined flour pasta. So let me start my work now. So it's the first time I am video filming my whole day routine, and I'm doing it especially for Amishka's birthday because we are not planning anything grand party or something, which we have thought last year that we would throw a grand party on her first birthday. But as the time is going by, I'm getting pretty much comfortable video filming. So I'll just start cooking this pasta and I'll show you how it turns out. Let me adjust my phone a bit. I hope you will able to see this saucepan. I'm not sure, but I just keep adjusting the camera occasionally. So I'm going to take water. So this is 1 cup water, and I'm adding another half cup of water. Switching on the lid. Allow it to boil. And meanwhile, I'm going to take this salt. It's a puro salt. We have started using it when the lockdown began around from the month of March, and it's good. See, the water have started to boil. So flame is at full. I will simmer it a bit. Then I will add a pinch of salt. I think it will be sufficient for a baby 1-year-old. I generally don't add too much of salt or sugar to her meals. So it's always a pinch, whether it's a khichdi or whether it's a rava kheer I make for her. It's always a pinch of sugar or pinch of salt. However, as a substitute for sugar, I always many a times I give her jaggery. So that's a good substitute for sugar that you can use. Now I will add a spoon of olive oil. Let's hope it turns out good. Yes. So first time I'm making pasta for her. I'm pretty much excited. Now I'm opening up this box of pasta. Wow, these are very tiny. Open the seal. That's good. So I will add 1 spoon pasta, and it said I have to read it again. I don't want to mess up with the instructions. Yeah, 2 spoons. So 1 spoon is already added. Adding another spoon. Yay! Ooh. It looks so different. So I'm using this clipper to clip this up so that it still remains sealed. Meanwhile, I get some proper storage box for storing the rest of the pasta. I'm keeping it back inside this box, and it's going back to its place on the fridge. Look how it's turning out to be. So in the instructions they have said to boil it for more 6 to 8 minutes. I will again turn on the flame to maximum. Okay, and let me see if it swells, because I think 1.5 cup water for 2 spoons of pasta is a lot more. Maybe they want it to properly get cooked in it. Let's see. I'll show you once it gets properly cooked. So after 10 minutes I will drain it up and will allow it to cool, and then serve in a plate or so for Amishka, and I will show you how it turns to be. So I got a call from my friend who lives in the same society. She wished Amishka her birthday, and she also wished me the birthday of 1 year of being a mom. So it's a victory for me that it's my birthday also as a mom. So I really liked it, and so many things happened meanwhile. Ankit came back, and Amishka also woke up. After coming back, I was still on call with my friend, and Ankit looked after his pasta. So the water in it has already been evaporated. I don't know how will I drain it, but still I will fix it up in a short while. So Ankit has bought something really special, and there are many goodies for Amishka. There is a packet full of sweets. I think it's for us. And this, I think this is a mat. So here he is.
Hello.
And Amishka is already on a feeding table. So I will sign off for now and just make a better version of pasta for her, and we'll see how she takes it. So Amishka's pasta is ready, and I always take a few bits myself to assess the taste of the new things whenever I try it on Amishka, and it is good. The taste is good for the baby. And meanwhile, Ankit is busy in installing her new toys, and this is what he has bought, a car. What it is called, Ankit? So its name is Action Rider, and Ankit is installing other gifts which are from her grandparents, and her mama also sent her some gifts. She has got some new dresses from her Nana Nani. So he's arranging all those things. And meanwhile, Amishka is getting impatient about her new food and about the new toys. So let's see how she takes the new bite of her new food. Let me give her some tiny pieces. Amishka, you like it? I think she likes it. Let me verify by giving her another spoon of this pasta. She turns her head on the side whenever she don't like any food she's eating. Amishka, aha, no, I'll give you, aha, oh no, aha, yeah. likes it. Almost half of the pasta she has eaten, and now she's playing with her food. She's playing with her bottle, and some tidbits are thrown here and there by her. So I will clean it up and we'll see you in a while. By the way, it's close to 4 p.m. on the clock now, so we have lot to do. We have to do the decorations and all, and we have to do before Amishka goes back to her bed, of course. And we'll get her birthday cake by around 5 p.m. So we have to go and pick it up, that too. Ankit is busy installing her another gift. I think it's a swing, so we'll see how it turns out to be. Hey guys, since we are running out of time, it's already 4:30, so I switched on to plan B, and now I'm wearing the dress which I have decided to wear for the party in the evening. And I also have to make Amishka ready for her cake cutting ceremony. We have to pick up cake at 5 p.m. So I'm wearing the color blue, which is more or less similar to what Amishka is wearing. So it's my favorite outfit also from the recent time, you can say. And yes, there have been no salon trips from last 3 months, so this is the best what I could do. I love putting on makeup, and yeah, with this much time, so this is the best I could do, and it's pretty good. So this is how my dress looks like. It's a very, very long kurti with a pair of loose fitted plazos. What's Ankit is up to? Ankit is still busy in installing this jhula, and Amishka is enjoying seeing her dad doing these things, and she's sitting quite patiently. Hi, Mama is back. Amishka, how's Mama looking? And yeah, Amishka also finally had a talk with her mama. He had a video call with him, and he played songs, birthday songs for her, and she danced, and the whole moment was very cute. So we made meathi sevai in the morning because we were not sure whether we will get the sweets. So I offered some of it as a prasad to the temple, to our home temple. Now I will make Amishka eat this, and Amishka is eager to have them all. She's sitting here from almost an hour, and now she wants to just get up. No, don't. She always want to hold the spoon, but I don't want her to spoil the dress. Now she will eat everything by her hand. You like it? Baby? Mama's cute, baby. So Amishka is pretty happy with her new gift from her dada. Finally, after long 1.5 hours of sitting, she got what she wanted. So Ankit is clearing up this space, so we are planning to decorate over here and celebrate her birthday here. And I'm preparing for the lunch. So we are having लौकी के कोफ्ते, and I don't think कि वो गिरेगी यार, उसको अच्छे से आ रहा है. So it's pretty late for the lunch, but still we are hungry now. So we'll be having लौकी के कोफ्ते and some capsicum potato. And since our cook is Marathi, so I have taught her the multiple times how to make the kofte. Still, she breaks it. And yes, for the dinner, we'll be ordering something from outside. So I have, so we have given our cook off for the second half. And she's trying her swing now. Hey Avishka, are you liking it? Oh yeah, Mama, I love it. यूहू, मजे आ गए. नहीं 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 नहीं, आगे नहीं आओ, आगे नहीं आओ. हाँ? Yes. So Amishka is having her photo session and her dad is taking her pictures with all her gifts and toys, and she looks quite happy in them, and we will be forwarding these pictures to our mom, dad, his mom, dad and family. So no matter how much she have her own lunch, breakfast or dinner, there's a ritual that she has to sit with us while we have our lunch, whether it's 2 p.m. or 4 p.m. or 5 p.m. She will definitely sit with us and share some meal with us. Aha! How cute! Aha!
Hello. Hey Amishka.
Hello guys. So it's already 5:50 p.m. and Amishka was again becoming a bit cranky. So we have thought to give her a third nap of the day, and we will wake up her around 8 or 9 p.m. and then we'll celebrate because we are really running out of the time. And meanwhile, I have put some these foil curtains. I guess they're looking good, and I have... Yes, so finally we did it. And the decoration credit goes to definitely to Ankit. He has done a really good job. Amishka! Hello! And dressing up Amishka is the best job which is done by her mama. So cute she is looking. And this is her birthday cake.
Amishka.
Wow. Hello Amishka. It's almost 7:30 now, so we have decided to cut the cake, to proceed with the cake cutting ceremony. And Amishka wants to sleep badly now. Hey Amishka, happy birthday, my dear girl. Yay! And now the father is finally ready, and so is her mama. And Amishka is quite happy seeing us. Now I'll be doing the tilak ceremony for her. My baby. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Amishka. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. So Amishka got a bit annoyed with our hats, so now we are celebrating.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy
birthday to you. Happy birthday,
dear
Amishka.
Happy birthday 9:30 and Amishka is asleep. She was really crying a lot. We changed her clothes. Maybe she was expecting that we might take her out after changing her clothes, but why to wear new clothes when we are already at home? So now we'll be having some cake and snacks, and we are enjoying our rest of the night. Thank you, everyone. It was a great birthday, and I really felt great while making this video throughout the day for you all. And I hope you will like it, and you won't miss being here. And hopefully, this has eliminated the gaps between us that are happening due to this coronavirus situation, and we pray to God that it goes out soon as possible. Bye bye. So Ankit, how was your day? How you feel? Finally, we want you to speak something.
Good. We celebrated in this tough situation.
Yeah,
Feels special.
yeah. Bye.
Bye.
Bye everyone.